This is a beautiful autumn day here in our very own neighborhood, and we are in El Cal, the typical small neighborhood joint here in Barcelona, locals only, very small bar. And what are we here for? To try their cured meat selection. Kim, the owner, he brings meat from Maestrazgo region, which is in the Valencia mountain range. And what do they do over there? They do two excellent cured meats. They do boar and they do deer, cured for 2 years, and that's what we're going to try. Started here with this boar, Cecina de Jabalí. Well, this has been cured for 2 years according to Kim, and he serves with a little bit of garlic and a little bit of pepper and olive oil. And well, people have been curing meat here for ages, you know, especially from wild game animals such as this. Kim says, oh, it's a little bit gamey, the meat, it's not that soft, but it's delicious. You can feel that it's something very special. And well, it's not one of the cold cuts that you find in, you know, elsewhere, but when you find it here in Spain, go for it. Boar Cecina. I don't even know how to explain Cecina in English, since it's not ham, it's just a curing process that you put, you know, salt in the meat and you let it cure for 2 years in a very dry facility. That's how you do Cecina. We continue here also with wild game. This is deer. So this is Cecina de Cervo. So this also comes from Maestrazgo. Before coming here, I have never tried this one before. It's very good. It's much more tender than the one of the boar. But well, both are great. You know, you start with one and you get the other. So this is the variety of wild game cured meat that we have here in Spain. One thing that people don't know about Cecina, they say, oh, but these dishes that you're featuring there for in a very small region, nobody knows that. That's not true. In Don Quixote, Cervantes' classical book that goes through all over Spain, Cecinas are already mentioned on that. Of course, back in the days, they were first focusing more on cow Cecina or even goat Cecina, but there's a huge variety of that cured meat. So here we are at El Noco. This place has been in our neighborhood for more than 20 years. Paco, the coconut master that's inside, he's been in the trade for more than 50 years. And I love buying here because Paco, he's such a character. He explains to you exactly where his food comes from and how it's done. And well, let's meet him and let's get some delicious stuff. Two things that I love here. I love the local vibe, you know, the very homey character, and I love his product selection. For this video, I specially selected 2 items, sobrassada and lomo ibérico. And more than me, let him talk and explain us this stuff. So these guys is sobrassada. And well, it's a lovely, lovely charcuterie item. Let me talk to Paco and let him explain about it. Paco, ¿cómo es el proceso de cura de la sobrassada? ¿Cómo se hace una sobrassada?
La sobrassada es denominación de origen de Mallorca. Es tripa que se llama especialmente del estómago. Está hecha con carne de cerdo negro y el resto con grasa.
Perfecto.
Con grasa, panceta y papada.
¿Cuánto tiempo hasta que podamos consumir una sobrasada?
Bueno, la sobrasada suele tener de 2 a 3 meses de curación en unas cuevas especiales que hay también, y le sale un moho, y cuando ese moho ya ha salido, quiere decir que la sobrasada ya tiene la curación perfecta.
Now that we got our lovely sobrasada that we're definitely going to eat this night with a little bit of eggs and maybe some marmalade, let's get more stuff. Let's get a lomo ibérico.
Bueno, el lomo ibérico, como la palabra ya lo dice, viene de un cerdo ibérico criado en montonera. Montonera quiere decir que se ha criado suelto en la montaña comiendo bellotas, y también se le pone algo de pienso.
Sí.
Su procedencia suele ser o bien jabugo, o bien salamanca, y es una parte del cerdo muy exquisita.
Hay gente que aprecia más hoy día el lomo ibérico que el propio jamón, ¿no? Incluso por el valor de mercado.
Sí, bueno, el lomo es que tiene menos grasa, es más carnoso, y el jamón tiene más grasa. Entonces, claro, hay gente que la grasa pues no le gusta.
¿Y cuántos años tienes tú hoy? Perdona preguntarte.
Bueno, en el día de hoy tengo 74 y me siempre de charcutero, siempre.
¿Y qué es lo que más te gusta de ser charcutero?
Lo que más me gusta, aparte de hablar con la gente, es cortar jamón por descontado, ¿no? Y lo hago como si lo cortara desde el primer día.
Qué bonito, es un arte todo eso,
sí,
¿no?
Hay clientas que me han dicho, oiga, usted le pone mucho cariño cuando está usted cortando el jamón. Es que me gusta.
Now we're here at home. I'm going to have this delicious sobrasada that I got at Paco's with a fried egg that Eva just made for us, and with a little bit of honey.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you now know a little bit more about different Spanish cold cuts. And well, please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Salud!